You want to know, what is asbestos soil sampling and testing? This video is going to give you the answer. Hi, I'm Dan Drage of Oracle Asbestos. Today we will dive into the crucial practice of asbestos soil sampling and testing, which is essential for any land that may be contaminated by asbestos due to past construction or demolition activities. Asbestos soil sampling and testing are key processes used to assess the presence and concentration of asbestos in soil, which can vary greatly depending on the history of the site. This sampling is critical to plan and manage any potential asbestos risk adequately. The sampling process begins with a qualified consultant who first assesses the site to determine the best areas for sampling based on ground conditions and historical use. Sampling areas typically 0.5 metres by 0.5 metres. They're cleared of vegetation and other obstacles to access the soil. Using proper safety gear, including respiratory and personal protective equipment, is mandatory to minimise the risk of asbestos exposure. The consultant applies a fibre suppressant to the soil to control any potential asbestos dust before collecting samples. Each sample area requires careful visual inspection to note any visible asbestos materials, which are collected separately before excavating soil samples ready for laboratory analysis. The samples, along with any suspected asbestos fragments, are then sealed in individually labelled containers and sent to the lab, where they undergo detailed testing to confirm the presence and type of asbestos. The lab testing follows a three-stage process. Number 1, initial identification using microscopic techniques to spot visible asbestos. 2, detailed analysis to determine the concentration of asbestos in the sample. And 3, advanced testing to identify any fine asbestos fibres that could become airborne and pose a health risk. Each stage of lab testing is critical to providing accurate data that will inform how to manage the land safely, whether the goal is to develop the land or mitigate environmental and health risks. Understanding the extent of asbestos contamination is vital. Understanding the various types of asbestos and their potential health risks is an essential part of the soil sampling process. By knowing which type of asbestos is present, professionals can better assess the risk and recommend appropriate remediation strategies. This may include the removal of asbestos material for the implementation of management strategies to ensure that asbestos is not disturbed. The final report from the soil sampling and testing will provide detailed information on the location, type, and extent of asbestos contamination. This report is crucial for any future development or remediation work and ensures that all actions are conducted in compliance with environmental safety standards. If you suspect your land may have asbestos contamination, it is crucial to engage a professional consultant who can perform comprehensive soil sampling and testing. This not only helps ensure safety, but also aids in compliance with environmental regulations. Thank you for watching. For more information on asbestos testing or to request a consultation, please visit our website at www.oracleasbestos.com. Thank you for watching.